You in music and we in architecture, we are all interested in the structure. For me, the structure is the creator of light. When I choose a structural order that demands one column after another, a rhythm like this appears. No light, light, no light, light, no light, light. Architecture creates the feeling of being in a world within another world. Louis Kahn, in L'Architecture d'aujourd'hui. Right upon arrival, we are struck by the extroverted appearance of this structure. Straight lines, concrete, wood, and glass create a design that balances strength and lightness. The structure, with its variations in textures and dimensions, defines the spatial limits and promotes an open-plan layout, phenomenally allowing the space to feel completely ethereal in terms of boundaries, as the sliding doors can fully open, creating a continuous semi-covered space. The limit becomes the landscape horizon offered by the setting. The sliding doors open completely to reveal a terrace embracing the lake, the pool, and the courtyard, all wrapped in an atmosphere of serene calm. The landscape becomes part of the home. Surrounded by water on both sides, the Cudich Drago House, located in the Nordelta district of Buenos Aires, maintains a deep and constant dialogue with the landscape. Questions that shape the design process are closely related to the interior-exterior relationship. How should this setting be inhabited? What would it mean to redefine the domestic? The definition of an interior landscape as a central axis answers this question. A courtyard that not only organizes the different functions of the home and its living dynamics, but also acts as a connecting space between two exterior landscapes, the inner and the outer. From this void, the space is redefined through a series of vertical and horizontal transitions between public and private, seeking to dissolve boundaries. Climbing the stairs, we reach two volumes that house the bedrooms. They are located on opposite sides, connected by glass corridors overlooking a lush interior courtyard. The sensation is that of being immersed in nature while still feeling sheltered and protected. From the tranquil water views to the airy interior spaces that offer a sense of breathing, a calm atmosphere dominates the impressive Cudich Drago House.